Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the washing machine. This is the old brush and this is the new brush. You can see the difference, how much it is worn out. It's supposed to go inside like this, and this is also going inside, but it's not much left in there, so there is not proper contact in the motor. So what I did, I opened the back cover and I open the back cover and I'm gonna fix the brush over here. I will show you in a moment. So the problem was the machine was filling the water and it wasn't starting any cycle. So basically the motor wasn't starting. It starts for maybe 1 or 2 seconds and it stops. So that's the only problem. You can see this is the old one, that's the new one. It's supposed to go in the cover like this, and this assembly will go here. I will show you in a minute. And this wire should connect over here, and this carbon brush should be touching over here. I will show you after fitting. So I make it fit like this, and I'm going to install it over here, and this wire should connect over here. I have connected this cable over here. Just push it, that's all. Okay, now I'm fixing the brush over here. You can see that's the cover, and make sure it is nice and tight. And this connection should go here. Bas.